I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials working: Copilot installed in your editor and a JDK configured. Once done, open a real Java project, Maven or Gradle, and create a class or method stub so Copilot has context. Make sure the language server is running and your file uses standard package and imports. This gives Copilot the symbols and types it needs to generate accurate code completions and avoid suggestions that conflict with your project structure. You now guide Copilot with intent. Write precise method signatures, return types, and JavaDoc so it predicts the correct API. Once you've prepared the context, add a comment describing the algorithm or edge cases you want solved. Copilot reads comments as prompts. Then accept or cycle through suggestions, but edit generated code immediately to fit style and error handling. Make frequent, small commits so you can review what Copilot introduced and roll back if needed. You finish by verifying behavior. Run unit tests, static analysis, and compilation to catch mismatched types or nullability issues Copilot might generate. When you see problematic suggestions, refine your prompt. Add explicit constraints in the comment or signature, and rerun completions. If problems persist, change Copilot settings like suggestion frequency or disable it per file. One key troubleshooting tip: add a failing unit test first, then prompt Copilot to implement code that makes the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.